CFS received. CFS comments added.
Good, how are you?
Good. Did I do something wrong?
You didn't physically do nothing wrong. I pulled you over because your cracks in your windshield and you got a brake light out. That's just that and the brake light, that's about it. At first I wasn't really going to do anything, but whenever you stopped, started pulling over, I saw that brake light out. Just want to talk to you about it. You got your license and insurance? I'm Trooper Swants, by the way, with Arkansas State Police. I do got to say that, but...
I don't have any insurance.
You don't have any insurance? Okay. Gotcha. Alright. Let me go check this and I'll see what I can do, okay? Alright, ma'am. I just got a question for you. Is there any marijuana in the vehicle?
No, but I...
Did you just get unspoken or something?
But I just did the hospital last night.
Okay. Was it in the car? Okay, so that's the smell. Do you know if there would be any marijuana or grinders or anything like that in the vehicle? Okay. The reason I ask that is because the more honest you are with me, and if I find something, I can work with you more. There's more discretion to it. But if I get lied to about it, I have less discretion to work with you. You know what I mean? So I am going to search the vehicle. I'll go ahead and have you step out, and if you'll leave your bag in here as well. On MLK right now. Get ready to go 55 north. 55 south. Under it. Out of the car! Out of the car! Get on the ground. Face flat. Face flat on the ground. .28 Forest City, positive TVI. We're going to be on the 55 southbound ramp.
10-4 TVI, 55 southbound ramp.
Ain't no other chance. You want to play dumb games, you can win dumb prizes. Alright. I'm gonna roll you over, okay? I want you to sit up. I'm gonna help you. Alright. I want you to bring your right foot in as much as you can.
I just broke my foot broke.
Your foot's broke?
My leg braces in my feet.
Okay.
It's just left foot.
28 Forest City. Get the next mall 1011. I'm 1015. All right. All right. This is what we'll do.
28. Can we clear the net?
10-4. No, you don't get a call. Do you have any? I don't think you do. Do your address? I'm just gonna make sure you don't have any weapons on you. Okay. Where's your leg brace? Back seat? Okay.